Your biggest problem isn't motivation. It's something way more dangerous. How many times have you said, "This is the time," and quit? If you stay till the end, you'll know why and how to stop forever. Here's the truth nobody warns you about. Most people don't fail on day 30. They fail on day 3. Not because they're weak, but because they live on feelings. So listen carefully. Sleep 7 hours. That's not rest, that's a weapon. Cut the sugar. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water till your brain feels alive again. Move your body for 30 minutes. Remind it who's in control. Meditate 10 minutes. Train silence like a muscle. Cold showers. This isn't self-care. This is self-respect. None of this works if you do it only when you feel like it. Write 1 page a day. Your thoughts lose power over you. Plan tomorrow before the world wakes up. Kill 1 bad habit a day. You're not broken, you're not unlucky. You're just 1 step away from becoming dangerous to your excuses. Now imagine this. If 1 video made you feel this focused, what would 30 days of this do to your life? Subscribe.